Save so you can bank on a bright future. Have you reached the point when merely looking at your bank statements you get a headache already? You might find your records out of place. You might even find yourself lost as to your current status and accounts. However, this is not a point for you to simply fret. Now, you have to take the matters to your own hand. Saving money. Saving money is an important matter. It is something that you have to do regularly to come up with a considerable amount. With the current trends of the economy and the widespread consumerism, it has to be part of your lifestyle as it is your way to ensure a brighter future. Banking. Most people who really want to save would maintain a savings account in a bank rather than put it in a money box or under a pillow at home. Putting the money in the bank is really a prudent move. The money is in safekeeping. It is not within your immediate reach, thus it is not within your immediate disposal. It can even earn interest. Banking strategy for more savings. This means organizing your finances. This is where you look at your status, plan ways to improve your standing and make terms work for your benefit. Savings account. Having a savings account is definitely a sure way of getting assistance in your pursuit to save. However, you must be doing the right thing. Your money must really stay there. You actually have to maintain a certain amount to earn interest with your account. If you cannot keep yourself from withdrawing, hide your ATM card. This defeats your goal to save, and too many withdrawals will incur you fees. Long-term deposits. Should it prove difficult to keep your savings account balance intact, you can opt to long-term deposits. This is where a certificate of deposit is given to you in exchange of a certain amount of your money. You can get higher interest rate here, so your money can earn more. You are also not allowed to get back the money within a certain period, or else you have to pay a fine. The fine should be deterrent enough to keep from spending. Identify among the various banks out there. Consider the features they provide to clients. One bank will offer higher interest rates, although you may feel more secure with another bank. Some also give special offers for a certain period. Simply know your options and study the information carefully before making a decision. Click the link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe.